Okay, so this is the second part of video, or part 3. My time ended on the previous one, so I had to start a new one here. So I went ahead and I added the annotations, and I noticed that I was spacing these too close together, so you might need to click on them and drag them down so they're not so close to each other. Like the cedar one. Cedar, let's see. Alright, that's not, oh, here it is. Drag it down some. Oops. Let's see. Make sure it's highlighted correctly so it drags the whole thing down. For some reason it's not dragging this one. There goes. Whoops. Alright. And then I'm going to fix those. Okay, so what I did, I went ahead and I adjusted. I just spaced them apart. So then make sure you come back down here and hide your crop region window. You want to make sure you turn that off. And then we're going to go to our one of our elevation views, and we're going to annotate the roof slope. Okay, so I'm going to go to my east elevation because that's the one that I placed on my drawing sheet. And then I'm going to come up here to the Annotate tab. And then I'm going to click on this detailed line. This is going to allow me to create my slope because I need to annotate the roof slope. So I'm going to do that with, just you're going to draw a triangle. That's what you're doing. So I'm just going to click here, come across, come down. Whoops. I guess I'll go this way. Nope, I'm going to hit the escape. Let me start this over. Annotate, detail line. Escape. No, I don't want it that big. Alright, so detail line. So I'm going to click here, click, just come down, and then just connect it. Actually, it should be closer to here. I'm just going to move this and point over here and then connect it. Alright, that's fine. Hit your escape twice. So that creates a slope there, and then we're going to use the Annotate tool. And then just annotate. That's going to come out really big. That's fine. I'm going to show you how to change the text size. So I'm going to just hit your escape key. I'm going to go ahead and check. You have to hit the escape key twice, and I'm going to change my size of my font. So click here, and then you'll notice over here the text is at 1/4 inch. Change that to the 3/32 inch. There, that's better. And then let's go ahead and let's see, can we move this some? Oops, no, I don't want to rotate it. I just want to center it. Okay, we need to move it up some. I don't like where it's placed because it should be above the line. Oh, okay, that's fine. Alright, so hit your text tool again. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot. You're not on your leader line anymore. You're just on the text with no leader. Click it here, and then this should be 9. Click out of there, and then hit your escape key twice. And then we are going to change the font size there. Let's move this over here. Actually, let's move this closer over here. Yeah. Alright. And this one, I wonder if I can... I just don't like the way it looks there. Why doesn't it let me move it up? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Alright, that looks better. Okay, so then what we're going to do, okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add our annotated section view to our drawing sheet. So we may have to move some things around. So come over here. Let's see. Let's move this over here. You don't want it to be hanging off of your drawing sheet. So, and then you don't want this overlapping either. So I'm going to have to adjust that. Okay, and I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to make that to be lined up. And then let's see, go to my section view. thought I turned off my crop region. So hide crop region. It's on 1/2 inch. That might come out too big on my drawing sheet. Alright, let's see. Let's test it out. Let me go to my drawing sheet. And then I'm going to come over here, drag your section view over, and place it on there. Yep, that's what I thought. That's not gonna fit. Alright, so I'm gonna have to adjust it. So give me a second here. I'm gonna have to let me see, can we cancel that? No, I'm gonna have to delete it. So right click, delete. Okay, I'm gonna make some adjustments here. Okay, I'm gonna come back to my section view. Let's go ahead and change that. Instead of 1/2 inch, I'm gonna drop that down to 1/4 inch. Oh no, I don't wanna do that. Nope, it messes that up. Change it back, and I'm not gonna do all that work all over again, because then you have to start changing your text on that, on each one of them. So I'm gonna go to my floor plan view. We are going, ooh, not on the ceiling, on the actual floor plan. Where's it at? Floor plan. Here we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and drop this down. Oh, I'm already at 1/4 inch on this one. Alright, this one's going to be the easier one to change. So if yours is coming out that way, let's drop down to 1/8 inch. Let me come back to my drawing sheet. Alright, so I'm actually going to delete this one and then place it back on here, because I don't like the way that line was sticking out. Okay, I'm going to move this over, and then let's go ahead and place my section view, and it should fit. Alright, so nope, it doesn't fit because everything's hanging off over here. Alright, so we might have to, no, you know what I'm going to do? It's the crop region. So let's go here, delete that. I'm going to go back to my section view, turn on my crop region, and this is all I got to do. Grab these blue dots, bring that down, bring this one up. That should be good. Hide crop region, go back to your drawing sheet, and then drag this over. Should fit. Let's see, once I place it, and let's see how that looks. Okay, I think I can make some other adjustments. So this text here, we can pull that in closer. So you got to make your adjustments. So if you got to do those adjustments, make your adjustments. Okay, what you might need to do, so I'm going to go back to my south elevation, and I adjusted the crop window here. If you click these, because these lines, I don't like the way they stick out, I'm going to click on those blue dots and then bring those closer to the shed. And then these are sticking out way too much. Also, you want to just move them closer to the shed as well, but you don't want that text to be on the actual shed. So just move it a little bit closer that way. Alright, so make sure you turn off your crop region. And then I'm going to do my east elevation as well. I'm going to fix that. You grab those blue dots and then just bring it closer to your shed. Whoops. What do I do? I don't want that to move the witness line. Let's see what that does. I've never done that. Alright, oops, no, I don't want that on there. I need my text to stay off to the side. Alright, turn off show crop region. That's off. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that way. Section view, I think I'm gonna leave it that way because I didn't want to change anything there. So go back to your utility. Alright, so I need to drag my south. Let's place that here. Okay, and then this, I can actually move it. Let's see how that looks. Looks busy. Let me see if I can move this down some. As long as your text is not overlapping, so I'm going to move this up just a tad bit. This, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out and see if I can move this in more. So I'm going to delete that. Just adjust yours. Okay, so I went ahead and I cleaned up my each of my my section 1 view. I drew this roof text closer in so that way it can fit in, and that way my text is not overlapping the text on my other views. Once you have that, you're going to snip this, and this is going into your Part 3 assignment.